สวัสดีครับพี่แจ๊คคุณแมนสบายดีไหมครับโอเคดีแจ๊ค
Hey y'all, good morning from Thailand. Today is Wednesday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, today is Wednesday and tomorrow is Christmas. Today I'm going to clean the house. Actually, I clean every week, but the house is already messed up because I didn't wash the dishes. So today y'all gonna come and wash and clean the house, the whole house with me, including outside because tomorrow is Christmas. So nothing much, y'all. The house is very messy, especially when you have a kid. And also, I don't have a lot of time cleaning. I also do something on the side, I just send Austin to school, wake up at 6 o'clock, get ready, take Austin to school, come back and work. Most of the time that I do, like work on computer or stuff like that. But today I'm going to clean everything. Look at Austin. Look at Austin. Look at Austin's clothes. He just put everything everywhere. And this is the living room. I'm gonna have to organize the space for Christmas tomorrow too, because the trees right here, I have to take something out away from here. And the thing is, like, women will understand me, okay? Women will understand me. I just did my nails done. Y'all, look at this. You like it? And it's also like change the color. Not change the color, is beep pop, you see? Anyway, I just did it yesterday and I'm like, damn, I should have done it later because I have to clean and stuff. I'm like, oh my god. Oh, my nails. It's okay. I have to somehow put the glove on. But anyway, I'm gonna start my cleaning and stuff, and y'all gonna see me how I clean my house and everything like that. Okay, let's do it. I have my coffee here, so it's kind of boosts my energy a little bit. Oh, by the way, for who those want to see more Thai stuff, different stuff in Thailand. I do different stuff in Thailand. Do groceries Thailand. Go to the coffee shop in Thailand. Go to movie theater in Thailand. Whatever it is, you can come and follow my TikTok. It's called I Guide You Thailand. Okay, I Guide You Thailand. Buying fish in Thailand. Eat like a local. Eating noodles with me in Thailand. Whatever. So I show you different stuff, like how to eat, how to, or how is the vibe for people that interest to come to Thailand, whatever. Also, without the ghost story, I couldn't clean.
Collier, share your music, share your love.
So this is the podcast that I love listening a lot of time, and Nicole tell me to not listen a lot of time because I invite the energy of the ghosts and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, I still love it. It's what I enjoy listening to, you know what I'm saying? It's called the Ghost Radio. It's in Thai. It's just like different people come and share the experience like 10-20 years ago about the ghost, how it's happened, whatever, because Thai people really believe in the ghost and black magic, dark magic, because back then a lot of people do dark magic, okay? And it's really interesting. If you can speak Thai, listen to Thai, it would be great. บางคนที่มาดูนะคะเป็นคนไทยแล้วชอบฟัง The Ghost เหมือนกันเราเป็นชาวแก๊งค่ะ เป็นชาวแก๊ง The Ghost นะคะ
สวัสดีครับพี่แจ๊คคุณแมนสบายดีไหมครับสบายดีครับพี่แจ๊คโอเคในนี้แกมีเพื่อนสูงครับประมาณเดือนหนึ่งแกไปตัดผมขอแกด้วยว่าเข้าไปกักเพื่อขอครับว่าพวกแกก็ไปทำงานที่กรุงเทพต่างๆพอทั้งสอง คนเจอกันครับเฮ้ยพ่อมาทำที่นี่ไงมาทำพ่อในไทยร้านเหมือนกันยืนดูสักพักแล้วแกก็เลยวิ่งไปที่บ้านนะครับก็ญาติเดินไปเรื่อยๆบอกให้เราจะบวชจริงๆแกก็เลยเดินอยู่บนหลังคาบ้านกำแพงบ้านตอนนั้นโต้บอกหาตายแล้วกลับไปอยู่ที่บ้านก็เหมือนเพ้อไปไหนคือองค์แกก็เลยบอกนายยิมเขาว่าในที่เขียนมาจากน้ำต้มแม่เลยทำร้ายเขาเดี๋ยวต้มลูกไม่รักมีข้อนายยิมก็เหมือนแบบเห็นแม่เขาอยากจะรู้เรื่องว่ามันเกิดอะไรเยี่ยเราสาตายจะดูแลนางให้ดีไงด้วยต้มจริงๆเป็นแกก็ไม่ได้ติดแต่ไม่คิดว่า
Immerse yourself in Jesus. Trying to trip.
แล้วก็เนี่ยแม้เรื่องนี้ผมฟังผมก็เหมือน
เพื่อนก็สุดแต่ใช้คำพูดแต่มันอาจจะไปและปกติจริงๆเสียงมันนัก
งานเนี่ยเพื่อนๆพอดีไปครับเป็นต่อทางนั้นแต่ว่าครับห้องแลบเนี่ยที่จะต้องสอบก็บีก็นอนอยู่พอเราหันกลับไปโฟกัสยาวๆไฟหน้า
Alright, y'all, so kitchen dishes and stuff done, but I'm a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna eat this one. It's called Wheat Pro Bar. It's fruit. It's a protein, have 11 grams of protein. All the time when I do the nails, I couldn't do most of the stuff. This morning when I put Austin clothes, like help him button up, I couldn't button. I take like 30 minutes to button 2 buttons. That's good. Dry strawberry, mango, dry mango, fly almond, pumpkin seeds, coconut milk, coconut caramel. Don't forget to hydrate yourself. This is a gel for cleaning. It's like a slime. Y'all, it's so hot. Nicole bought this firework. He spent almost $400 on the firework, and I'm like, if y'all see my live before, like last year about 31st, right? I was with my mom, my grandmom, my son, and him together at the beach, and then we do firework. And then I was running all the time when he popped out. Most of the time it's scary, you know what I'm saying? But Nico love it. He loved to do it, so hey, let him do what he do, and Austin like it too. So okay, I'm gonna run again this year. This year we're gonna do at my stepmom house with my brother and stuff like that. And yeah, this year we're gonna come with the video, though not live. Almost done, but not yet. Now it's just arranged around here around Christmas trees, and then I'm gonna do my son room, and then the last thing I'm gonna mop. But this just a rain and sweep first, you know. Maybe if I have time, I might do outside too. But if not, then I gotta go pick up Austin. So, right. So here done. Let's see how the boys' room is. It's so good. This works so good. นี่ผลิตภัณฑ์จากของไทยนะคะเชอรี่ได้มาจาก TikTok สำหรับพี่ๆคนไทยที่เข้ามาดูถ้าใครอยากได้แบบนี้นะเข้าไปติดตาม TikTok ของเชอรี่ได้นะคะเชอรี่ทำในหน้า TikTok นะไปอุดหนุนกันได้นะทุกคน so just work like this okay and pretty much just grab one of these and then boom อันนี้ทำเสร็จแล้วนะอันนี้ยังไม่ได้ทำ this one do already, this one haven't done yet. So you see the difference. You don't need to watch like wait no more and have to dry in the sun, whatever. This save time, save energy, and save the shoes. Y'all couldn't finish it. I think I'm gonna let that be Austin work when he came back from school. I'll pass out. Right now it's 1:35. I started cleaning since 8. Some drinking soda. In front of the house, it's just like a lot of grass and everything. Banana trees behind my house. They're building the house right here. It's pretty much so noisy in the daytime. The house clean, ready for Christmas. Austin didn't know it's coming. Tomorrow, Christmas Day, is gonna be on Nico video called Nico Outside, and make sure you go subscribe his channel. It's gonna be a lot of surprise for Austin and his first year and my first year and our first years together with Nicole. Anyway, y'all, that is pretty much my day today. I'm gonna leave now because I have to go pick Austin up in a minute. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye.